Hello and welcome on this windy day. I'm Alex from Royal Chevrolet Cadillac, and today I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a different video. We're going to dive into tonneau covers today, what you're looking for when you're getting them, all sorts of different things for them. Today, as the example, I do have a hard folding tonneau cover on this 2500. I apologize, it's a little dirty. It's just one of the only trucks I had that had this cover on it. I just wanted to show you guys how it worked. And this one we have today is a hard folding cover, but there are many different covers you can choose from. But you do have soft covers, you do have roll covers, you do even have covers that go all the way around the bed depending on what you're looking for, and they all range in pricing. Generally, the soft covers are your cheapest, and they are a little bit cheaper than getting a hard cover. And then the fiberglass covers that want to go all the way around the edges are the most expensive. This is somewhere in the middle in terms of pricing, and let's go show you what you get. So when you're getting into your cover, it's pretty simple. You want to just lower your bed down first like this. Comes down for you. Now this one has a really nice little handle in it. When you get these covers, you can just go like this here and fold it up like so. I know it's a little icy today. And then goes like this. Bring it one more time. And then if you want to get it all the way, you just want to press again down here. Bring it up one more time. Again, almost there, but do one more. And there you go. You can have it all the way up, have use of your bed. You even have these nice little prop rods down here. I can see it right here, but you do these prop rods that go right in here, so that way you can have it in place even when you're on the go. And there's even little straps on this side here to tie it in there. That way this won't just fall down while you're driving. You can have whatever you have in the back of your bed, and then it's simple enough to go back down. Again, there, 1, 2, 3. Now, something I do like to say before you put that last one down, this here makes it a little bit better to go up first, and then you want to put this down after, because otherwise you can ruin the lips on these things and they won't seal quite as good. Now, with the hard covers and soft covers, just so you know, they're not 100% water sealed, so when you're buying these, just know that. The only ones that are the ones that go all the way around the edge, but they do keep about 95% of the water out of these things. If you have any questions about getting a tonneau cover or any accessories or vehicles in general, give me a call or email us about any questions about that. And let us know what you guys think about this video. We're going to try and do more like this. So if you have any questions about videos like this or want to see something else, let us know, and we'll see you guys on the next video.